Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a video that can help you get rid of dark ties, this video is definitely for you. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please kindly hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family. And thank you as you do that. So guys, like I said earlier, what we are going to be doing in today's video is how to lighten your dark ties. Okay, so without much talk guys, let's get right into the video. Let's go to the kitchen and prepare this regimen that can actually help you get rid of dark ties. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to prepare a scrub. A scrub we are going to use to scrub out all the nyama that contributed to the dark ties, okay? And to do that, you get a carrot. Use the smallest size of your grater and start grating the carrot. Carrot contains natural oil that can help moisturize your skin and protect it from sun damage. The oil is high in linoleic acid, which is a type of omega-6 fatty acid that can also help reduce inflammation. Carrots also contain beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body and helps improve skin health. So you see, carrot has a lot of skin benefits, okay? So after grating the carrot, we'll proceed with the next ingredient, which is baking soda. I'll go ahead and add some tablespoons of baking soda into it because baking soda helps to clear acne and breakout. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells, which is the aim here, to scrub out all the dead skin cells that accumulated in those areas. So I added some amount of baking soda into it. The next one here is honey. Honey helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. It helps to diminish the signs of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey helps to lighten the scars, so that's why I added honey to it. Then the next one here is apple cider vinegar. I'll go ahead and add 1 cover of this apple cider vinegar into it. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, another option is lemon. Replace it with lemon, okay? Apple cider vinegar has a powerful antimicrobial properties that may help ease the skin infections and soothe irritation. That's why I added it. Then the last one here is sugar. Sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate your skin with. Sugar helps to remove dead skin cells, so that's why I added sugar to this. So it will help to exfoliate and get rid of all the dead skin cells there. So after that, I'll go ahead and mix very well. So after mixing, we'll go ahead and prepare the next thing we need, because after scrubbing those areas, you don't want to leave it just like that, okay? You have to moisturize it with something. So now I will take this aside, then we'll prepare the oil we'll be using on the place after scrubbing. And to prepare the oil, get a clean container. Go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E into it. So I added 1 drop of vitamin E oil into it. Vitamin E oil helps to moisturize the skin. It's a wound healing oil. It helps to reduce itchiness to the skin. So the next one here is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a healing properties. It helps to nourish and stop acne and breakout. So I'll go ahead and add 3 drops of tea tree oil into it. So the next one here we are going to be using is vitamin C oil. You as a lady, if you don't have vitamin E oil, vitamin C or vitamin C serum in your skincare routine, what are you doing? Please get one. It's very essential. It's very essential, you know. Get one for yourself, okay? Vitamin C helps to heal and reduce blemishes. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentations and give your skin an out of this world glow. Did you hear that? An out of this world glow. Did you hear? So I added some drops of vitamin C and that is it. Then I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this treatment, okay? This treatment is very effective. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. And how do you use this treatment? First, before treating dark ties, before trying to lighten your dark ties, you have to exfoliate. You have to scrub that area. And why it's important to scrub that area is for you to be able to get rid of all the dead skin cells that accumulated there. To get rid of, to open up your pores, because as you scrub, you will be able to open up all the clogged pores. So it's necessary to scrub before you apply any treatment there. And this dark ties is mostly seen in people that gained weight. Yes, excess weight can make you to start having dark ties. Yes, guys. So what actually happened? What causes it? It happens because you've gained so much weight. As you're walking, your both legs will be scrubbing against each other, causing friction, causing wearing and tearing. So you see, and once that is happening, your thighs tends to darken. So what do? Before you apply any treatment there, you must scrub to get rid of dead skin cells, to open up the clogged pores. Okay, so this is how you do it. You get a cotton wool. Get a cotton wool. Take that treatment. Take the mixture we prepared. Then on the places you have mostly you develop that in between your legs or under your arm. So you go ahead and scrub. Use this treatment to scrub the places you have the dark ties. As you're scrubbing it, you will be able to open up all the clogged pores there and get rid of dead skin cells. So after doing this, after scrubbing, you wash it off with warm water. Wash it off with warm water, then you proceed with the final thing you have to do, which is applying this treatment. In here, what we have in here is vitamin E oil, vitamin C oil, and the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a very good antibacterial and antifungal oil. Yes, it's very good when it comes to treating a lot of things. It's very good. So we prepared it already. You go ahead and apply it after washing the place. After washing off the place with warm water, you go ahead and apply this on that place. Do this 3 times in a week and you will come and testify. Yes, do this 3 times in a week. And there is another thing you have to do. Try as much as possible to wear tights. Wear tights while going out. If you're having dark ties, try and wear tights while going out. It will help to avoid the rubbing of each other. It will help to prevent your skin from rubbing against each other. Yes, wearing tights helps a lot, okay? Because when you don't wear tights, you will find out that your both skins are rubbing against each other, causing friction, causing them to wear and tear, thereby causing the ties to be darkened. So wear your tights. That will also help to reduce dark ties, okay? So that is it. And another thing you have to do when you are at home, try to leave the place open so that air can penetrate, okay? When you always cover up the place and air is not entering as it should, it's not helping issues. That is not helping it. So whenever you are at home, try to be free. Try to open up yours, not like open up yourself, but try to wear something that can help air to penetrate, okay? It's good to always receive air all over your body, okay? Even in your VJ areas, you have to sometimes let it open, especially at night if you're sleeping. You can let it open so that air can penetrate very well, okay? So that will also help. After scrubbing and apply this mixture, try to leave that place open as you sleep. Try to leave it open and always wear tight as you're going out. Always wear tight and try to reduce weight, because this is mostly seen in people that gained weight. Try to reduce weight, okay? That would also help, okay? Try to lose weight. That would also help, okay, guys? So that is it, guys. This is how you can actually treat dark ties at home, okay? With this treatment and this oil, you are covered. Yes, this is how you can treat dark ties at home. Okay, guys? So if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Please do so, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.